In this step, it says use the push method to append the quotient variable to the quotients array. Also, append the remainder variable to the remainders array. Again, just like we again just like we did in the previous step, we first call the array. In our case, its first array is called quotients. So we call the quotients array first, and then we use the push method. And in order to push or append the quotient variable, we write it inside the push method. So quotient. We do the same with the remainders array. We call the remainders array, interpolate it with push method, and we append the remainder. The remainder variable.